The 2X series fire panels are configured by default to allow operator access without entering the appropriate code. For example, when there is an active fire on the panel, to stop the sound of the sounders, simply press the sounder start-stop button and press F4 to select Enter. Then there is no need to enter the operator code and the panel will allow you to perform the operation. To reset the panel, simply press the Reset button and proceed as before. As you can see, the panel will bypass the Level 2 code and perform a reset. Another quick method to log into the operator menu is to configure one of the panel or field device inputs to act as operator level mode. Then activating such input automatically switches the panel to the second level and permits additional operations reserved for authorized users.